Hello soldiers, welcome to 60 second video. So today we're going to spend 60 seconds for creating this ultimate dashboard by using Power BI. So before start creating this dashboard, you must understand some basic information for creating this ultimate dashboard. So now we have to understand what is database. So how to upload the database, what is report review, and what is table review, how our data looks like, and what is visualization. So this kind of information we going to see one by one in 60 seconds. So I hope guys you will enjoy for creating your own ultimate dashboard like this and also maybe more efficient than like this. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you.